Today, we are going to be talking about plants that can grow in clay soil. If your soil turns sticky when it rains, then cracks when it dries, and feels almost impossible to dig through, you most likely have clay soil. We live in eastern Tennessee, and most of our soil here is clay. And I know clay soil can feel so frustrating. It holds water too long, it can suffocate roots, and it can make some plants struggle before they ever get established. But here is the good news. Clay soil is not useless. In fact, clay soil can be full of nutrients. The trick is choosing plants that can handle heavier soil and improving the drainage over time. So today we are talking about plants that grow well in clay soil, including flowers, shrubs, grasses, and tough garden plants that can still look beautiful even when your soil is heavy. So let's grow by zone. Let's begin with understanding why clay soil is so difficult. Clay soil has very tiny particles that pack tightly together. That means water drains slowly, air has a harder time reaching the roots, and the soil can become compacted. When clay is wet, it can feel sticky and heavy. When clay is dry, it can become hard like brick. That is why some plants rot in clay soil, especially if they like loose, sandy, or fast-draining conditions. But clay also has a big benefit. It can hold nutrients better than sandy soil. So instead of fighting it completely, the goal is to work with it, add compost, shredded leaves, aged mulch, and organic matter over time. Avoid digging when clay soil is soaking wet, because that can make compaction worse. And when choosing plants, look for ones that tolerate moisture, heavier soil, and strong root systems. Now, let's talk about the flowers that are best for clay soil. Let's start with black-eyed Susans. They bloom in bright yellow or golden orange with dark centers, and they can handle clay soil better than many delicate flowers. They usually grow about 2 to 3 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet wide. Plant them in full sun for the strongest blooms. Black-eyed Susans are tough perennials that usually grow well in zones 3 through 9. Next up, coneflower. They bloom in purple, pink, white, orange, red, yellow, and greenish tones depending on the variety. Most grow about 2 to 4 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet wide. They are great for pollinators, and once established, they are very tough. Coneflowers are beautiful, sturdy perennials that usually grow best in zones 3 through 9. Next in the flower section is bee balm. It grows in blooms of red, pink, purple, lavender, and white. Hummingbirds love it, but give it good airflow to help prevent mildew. Bee balm is a great choice for clay soil because it likes moisture better than many drought-loving plants. It usually grows best in zones 3 through 9. The last one in the flower section is daylilies. They bloom in yellow, orange, red, pink, purple, cream, and bicolor blends. Most grow about 1 to 4 feet tall and 1 to 3 feet wide. They can handle clay soil, heat, and beginner mistakes better than many flowers. Daylilies are one of the easiest perennials for difficult soil. They usually grow best in zones 3 through 9. Next, we will talk about the best shrubs for clay soil. Of course, we have to include the hydrangeas. They can do well in clay soil as long as the soil does not stay soggy all the time. They bloom in blue, pink, purple, white, green, and lime shades. Most hydrangeas grow about 3 to 6 feet tall and wide, but some can get larger. They are perfect if you want a fuller, softer, more cottage-style look. Depending on the type, many grow well in zones 3 through 9. Next on the list is the Rose of Sharon. It blooms in pink, purple, white, blue, lavender, and red toned shades. It can grow about 8 to 12 feet tall and 4 to 8 feet wide. Rose of Sharon is a tough flowering shrub that usually grows best in zones 5 through 9. This is a good choice if you want summer flowers on a shrub that can handle less than perfect soil. The next shrub on the list is the buttonbush. It produces round, white, fragrant flower balls that attract pollinators. This is a beautiful option for rain gardens, low areas, or spots that stay moist. It usually grows best in zones 5 through 10. It can grow about 5 to 12 feet tall and wide, depending on conditions. For the last section, Let's talk about some grasses and foliage plants that do well in clay soil. Switchgrass is a native ornamental grass that handles clay soil very well. It adds movement, texture, and a natural meadow look to the garden. It usually grows best in zones 4 through 9 and can reach about 3 to 6 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. Next up is Joe Pye weed. It is perfect if you want height, pollinators, and a wild garden feel. It likes moisture, so clay soil can actually work in its favor. It blooms in mauve, pink, and purple tones. It usually grows best in zones 4 through 9. Depending on the variety, it can grow 3 to 7 feet tall and 2 to 4 feet wide. Lastly, there are the hostas. If your clay soil is in a shady area, hostas are a great option. Leaves can be green, blue-green, yellow, white-edged, or variegated. Hostas usually grow best in zones 3 through 9 and are grown mostly for their beautiful foliage. Depending on the variety, they can grow 6 inches to 3 feet tall and 1 to 5 feet wide. They like rich, moist soil, but avoid planting them where water sits constantly. So if you have clay soil, do not give up on your garden. You just need the right plants. And remember, clay soil improves slowly. Keep adding compost, mulch, leaves, and organic matter over time. Do not work the soil when it is soaking wet, and choose plants that can handle moisture, density, and heavier ground. Clay soil may be difficult, but with the right plants, it can still grow a beautiful, full, colorful garden. If this helped, save this list and share it with a garden friend who has heavy clay soil. And if you want to know what grows best in your zone, make sure to follow along, because here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone, and helping you grow smarter wherever you live.